Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm always asked what I eat, and in today's video I'm going to show you all quickly what I just prepared. All the ingredients will be listed on the side. I use the Lose It app, and you can put how much weight you want to lose, and then it'll tell you if as long as you follow this, how much weight you'll lose. Oh, I'm doing 2 pounds a week, so how much weight you'll lose, and then by the time you'll lose it. So if I do 2 pounds a week, it told me I initially started just put 220 on there, so I'll be at 220 according to this by the end of the year in December. Of course, with exercising I'll probably lose more, but that's just what it's gonna set, because you can do no more than 2 pounds a week on the app. So I made a taco salad, and I never deprive myself because I'm a foodie and I love food. But as you all can see, it's got everything in it. I even got some Doritos on there, okay? Well, not Doritos, Doritos cousin, but they still taste the same to me. So let me show you. So this is my taco salad. I have red leaf lettuce. I measure everything out, as you all can see on the side of the screen. My lunch today is 617 calories. So it's red leaf lettuce, cheese, sour cream, ground beef, cilantro, and taco sauce, and Doritos. Well, Doritos cousins. So this is a nice hearty bowl. Like, I don't deprive myself of food because I'm a foodie and I love food. But you can be really creative. If you choose to do like the deluxe version of Lose It, it gives you recipes and things like that. But I was debating if I was going to do a protein shake or this, and I wanted a taco salad. So I just wanted to show you all, get into how flavorful this looks. It's cilantro, lettuce. Oh, I have tomatoes on there too, which they're up under the Doritos. Well, you probably can't see them now, but it's lettuce, tomato, cilantro. It's got everything you need, so yeah. So again, don't let nobody tell you you can't eat nothing, because when you deprive yourself and you eventually do taste it, you will just pig out and eat too much. So I never deprive myself. I'm doing everything at a good pace. I'm losing weight at a good pace. I'm losing inches like crazy. Another weight loss video is coming soon. I'm gonna do it before and after. That's gonna just blow y'all away. Y'all ain't gonna believe it. But again, keep up the good work. I just wanted to show you all some things that you can eat. Download that app. They do have a free version. I just chose to do the one I paid for. I've been doing it. I started using the app in 2012, so yeah, I'm a Lose It vet. I earned all kind of badges and stuff. But yeah, if you want to follow me on there, you can also follow people and have like friends on there. We can motivate and support each other. So I'll put my information in the description box for the app. It's on iOS and Android platforms. I'm ready to eat this taco salad, and I will see y'all tomorrow or in the next video. Bye.